Listen to this audio multiple times to revise key concepts of the chapter Building Blocks in Economics and the Problem of Choice. This chapter introduces the fundamental concepts of economics, focusing on how individuals, enterprises, and governments manage limited resources to satisfy unlimited human wants. Because resources such as land, labor, capital, and technology are scarce and have alternative uses, societies are forced to make choices. Core economic concepts. Opportunity cost. Whenever a choice is made, the alternative option is given up. The value of this foregone alternative is known as the opportunity cost. Production possibility curve (PPC). This curve illustrates the trade-offs in decision making, showing the maximum possible combinations of goods that can be produced when all available resources are used efficiently without wastage. Data-driven decisions. Economists use data and analysis for resources like the annual economic survey to understand market trends, evaluate opportunity costs, and help governments and businesses make informed, optimized decisions. The three key questions in economics: the mismatch between scarce resources and unlimited wants forces every economy to address three essential central questions. What to produce? This involves deciding which goods and services to create, weighing trade-offs like short-term profits versus long-term sustainability. For whom to produce? This determines who will benefit from the goods, targeting specific consumer groups based on their needs, tastes, and purchasing power. How to produce? This involves choosing the correct mix of resources and methods, such as deciding whether to use labor intensive techniques, using more workers, or capital intensive techniques, relying more on machines and technology. Economic systems. How a society answers these three questions depends on its economic system, which dictates who controls resource allocation. Planned economy. A central government authority makes all major economic decisions, owns most resources, and regulates production. Private ownership and competition are highly restricted. Market economy. Decisions are primarily driven by the market forces of demand and supply. Individuals and private companies own resources, while the government's role is mostly limited to maintaining law and order. Mixed economy. This system combines features of both market and planned economies. Private enterprises and the government coexist, make economic choices, and operate in the market together. Most modern economies are mixed systems.